Dragon Masters Saving the Sun Dragon. 자, 우리는 Dragon Masters 1권에서 드레이크에 대한 이야기를 들었고 이번 책에서는 애나와 애나의 드래곤 카프리에 대한 이야기를 들을 거야. Chapter 1 Dragons in the Sky. Drake shaded his eyes from the sun. He was standing in the Valley of Clouds behind King Roland's castle. Not long ago, Drake had never even been to the castle. 드레이크는 원래 양파 농장에 살았기 때문에 전혀 성에 올 일도 없었지. But now he lived here and he had an important job. 근데 이제는 성에 살고 아주 중요한 일을 해. 무엇을 하냐고? He was a dragon master. Someone who had been chosen by the Dragonstone to work with dragons. 우리 알고 있듯이 드래곤스톤에게 선택받아서 드래곤 마스터가 된 거지. Above him, 3 dragons flew in the bright blue sky. Griffith, the wizard who taught the young dragon masters, watched as the dragons practiced flying. 날 수 있는 드래곤들이 들키지 않게 날 수 있는 공간이 여기 아까 나왔던 The Valley of Clouds고 이 연습하고 있는 거지 바라보고 있다고 했죠. Vulcan, a big red fire dragon, flew across the valley. He shot a burst of fire into the air. Nice one! Yelled his dragon master Rory. She had hair as red as Vulcan's flame. 둘 다 머리도 빨갛고 Vulcan도 빨갛고 그렇습니다. Shu, a beautiful blue water dragon, didn't have wings. 자, 슈는 물의 드래곤인데 날개는 없어요. She glided through the air. 그런데 날개는 없지만 그냥 공기를 유영하듯이 그렇게 날아오를 수 있어요. Riding the wind. Bo, her dragon master, watched her with a peaceful smile on his face. Bo가 슈의 dragon master예요. The best flyer was the yellow and white sun dragon, Capri. Yellow and white sun dragon, Capri. She looped and swirled in the air. Then a rainbow streamed from her mouth. 그러고 나서 여기에 레인보우가 나온다고 해요. Capri는 sun dragon이라 빛이 나와요. It arced across the sky. Arced. 레인보우가 arc의 모양이기 때문에 arced 했다는 거죠. Capri Dragon Master Anna danced on the grass below her dragon. Her long black hair swayed behind her. Anna가 Capri의 Dragon Master지. Drake's dragon, Worm, was not like the other dragons. 아직 웜과 드레이크는 이제 웜과 드레이크는 그래 1권에서 벌써 둘이 이제 커넥션이 생겼기 때문에 다른 드래곤들이 날고 있는 걸 봐도 이제 드레이크는 더 이상 초조해하지 않고 웜을 이렇게 따뜻하게 안아주면서 다른 드래곤들이 날아가는 걸 흐뭇하게 바라볼 수 있는 거야. He was an earth dragon with a long brown body. He couldn't fly, but Drake had just learned Worm could move things with the power of his mind. Worm은 earth dragon이라 날 수는 없지만 그 머릿속에 있는 생각의 힘으로 물건들을 움직일 수 있어요. What other amazing thing can Worm do? Drake wondered. He knew he had even more to learn about his dragon. It feels good to be outside, right, Worm? Drake asked. The green dragonstone around Drake's neck tingled a bit. He smiled. 하면서 이렇게 빛나면 둘이 이제 많이 친해져가지고 이런 대화하면은 되게 사이가 좋아졌어. Each of the dragon masters wore a piece of the stone. It helped them connect with and train their dragons. When the stone glowed, Drake knew that he and Worm had a very strong connection. Drake could sometimes hear Worm's voice inside his head when they were connecting. 지금 1권에서 웜과 드레이크는 벌써 커넥션이 생겨서 드레이크는 웜의 이야기를 이제 머릿속으로 들을 수 있어. 근데 다른 친구들 아직 그거를 경험하지 못하고 있어요. But the other Dragon Master stones had not glowed yet. 드래곤 스톤이 반짝일 때 그 서로 커넥션이 일어나고 서로 대화할 수 있는 상태가 되는 거지. Drake looked back up at the sunny sky. Capri's whole body shone with light. Then Drake understood. Oh, I get it. Capri has light powers because she's a sun dragon, right? 빛의 힘을 갖고 있구나. 태양의 드래곤이니까, 그치? 이제 알았어요. Drake asked the other dragon masters. Rory snorted. 이제 알았냐? Of course that's why. It's just like how fire dragons have fire powers and water dragons have water powers. 당연한 거 아니야? 그러니까 fire dragon이 fire power 갖고 있고 water dragon이 water power 갖고 있고 sun dragon이 light power 갖고 있는 거잖아. 왜 이러는 거야? 네, 드레이크는 지금 점점 적응해가고 있는 거야. Rory can be friendly sometimes, thought Drake. 로리가 언젠가는 친절해지겠지. And other times, she's not friendly at all. 아직은 영 아니지만. His face turned red. I'm still learning. 아직 배우고 있잖아, he said. I haven't been a dragon master as long as you. 너네만큼 그렇게 오랫동안 dragon master도 아니었다고. Rory, Bo, and Anna had already been training for weeks when Drake got to the castle. He still felt like he had a lot of catching up to do. Rory, Bo, and Anna는 벌써 몇 주나 더 전에 와서 배우고 있었기 때문에 드레이크는 아직 배울 게 너무 많아. 그렇게 느끼고 있어. Above them, Vulcan swooped down from the sky. 볼칸이 갑자기 슉 내려오더니 showing off and shooting another stream of fire. 불을 내뿜었어. It hit the ground right next to Griffith. 여기 바로 발옆에를 불을 내뿜었고. It hit the ground right next to Griffith, and the grass burst into flames. The wizard jumped to the side. 가끔 근데 볼칸이 이런 식으로 실수할 때가 많아. 왜냐면 아직 로리랑 제대로 커넥션이 일어나지 않았기 때문이야. 그래서 이 볼칸의 실수들이 나중에 또 로리의 고민거리가 되고 나중에 또 로리가 볼칸과 정말 커넥션을 이루게 되는 또 이유가 되기도 하지. Careful there, Vulcan! Griffith called out. He pointed his finger at the fire. Water flowed from his fingertip. 손가락에서 불이 나가. And the flames went out. Drake's eyes grew wide. 눈이 이따만큼 커졌어. I will never get tired of seeing wizard magic. 와, 마법을 보는 건 절대 지겹지 않을 거야, he said to Bo, who was standing beside him. Bo nodded. Drake looked over at Worm. The dragon's eyes glowed bright green. 갑자기 근데 Worm의 눈이 막 초록색으로 반짝이고 있어. That's strange, thought Drake. His eyes glow when he's using his powers. 힘을 쓸 때만 반짝이는데 왜 그러지? What could he be using his powers on right now? Worm was staring up at the sky. Worm이 하늘을 쳐다보고 있어. Drake followed his gaze. Worm was looking at Capri high up in the air. Her white wings had stopped flapping. 캐프리가 아까 날고 있었는데 근데 날개를 펄럭거리지 않고 있어. Worm must have sensed that she was in trouble. Watch out! Capri is falling! Drake yelled. Chapter 2. A Sick Dragon. Anna looked up and stared. Anna looked up and started to scream. Ah! The other dragon masters also looked to the sky. Griffith pointed a finger at Capri. I will try to slow her down. 그래도 그리피스가 떨어지는 걸 좀 속도를 낮춰줄 수 있대. The wizard cried. Lightning sizzled from his finger. 이제 아까는 물이 나왔는데 이번에는 손가락에서 막 번개 같은 게 나가고 있어. But before Griffith could use his magic, a red blur shot across the sky. 근데 갑자기 빨간 게 뭐가 확 지나가. It was Vulcan, flying faster than Drake had ever seen him flying before. He lurched for Capri and grabbed her with his front claws. Go, Vulcan! Rory cheered. Vulcan flew in a circle around the valley, slowing down. Then he gently placed Capri in the grass. Everyone ran to Capri. The dragon's eyes were closed. Her breathing was loud and heavy. Anna stroked Capri's head. Stroke. Oh, Capri, are you all right? She asked, her voice shaking. Griffith leaned over Capri. 기대서 좀 보더니 frowning. 인상 탁 찌그리고 I'm afraid she doesn't look well, he said. Anna turned to the wizard. She has seemed a little off since last week. 지난주부터 조금 이상했어요. When the tunnel caved in. 우리 지난주에 그 1권에서 터널 지나갈 때 막 빨간색 orb 나타나고 터지고 막 그때부터 조금씩 이상했다는 거지. She gets tired easily. 평상시보다 훨씬 잘 피곤했고 and sometimes her eyes looked cloudy. 그리고 눈이 되게 뿌옇게 구름 낀 것처럼 됐다는 거지. I should have said something. 제가 말했어야 됐는데. Griffith put a hand on her shoulder. It's not your fault, Anna, he said. But are you sure Capri only started looking sick after that night in the tunnel? 근데 정확히 해야 돼. 그 터널에 있었던 그날 밤 이후부터 그렇게 아픈 거니? Anna slowly nodded her head. Yes, she was fine before then. Drake, Bo, and Rory looked at one another. A week before, they had all tried to sneak out of the castle with their dragons. Since King Roland wanted to keep the dragons a secret, most dragon training had to take place underground. The dragon masters had only wanted to get outside to do some night flying. Then a glowing red orb had flown into the tunnel that led to the valley. The red ball of the light scared Vulcan, so he tried to get away. 1권에서 있었던 그 일을 얘기하고 있지. His huge body banged into the tunnel walls, and he had made the tunnel cave in. They were trapped. Worm used his mind powers to help them escape. He broke up big rocks blocking the tunnel using only his thoughts. Worm had saved them all, but now something was wrong with Capri. Why did you ask about the cave-in, Griffith? Asked Bo. The red orb worries me. 그 빨간색 orb가 걱정을 시키고 있대. Griffith answered. It must have been made by a dark wizard, as I had feared. 여기 이제 이 책에서는 그 빨간색의 그 마법을 보이는 게 다 dark magic으로 나오는데 여기서 이 빨간 이 red orb가 dark wizard가 보낸 그 마법의 볼이었거든. 그래서 그거를 만나고 나서 이 캐프리가 그거 dark magic의 영향을 받았다는 거지. And dark magic can make sun dragon sick. 특히 이제 sun dragon은 dark magic의 직접적인 영향을 받는다는 거지. So, Capri's illness is connected to that weird ball? 그 이상한 그 빨간 공 때문인가요? Asked Anna. And the other dragons are okay because they are not sun dragons? 얘네는 sun dragon이 아니어서 괜찮은 거고요? I think so, said Griffith. Do you know any dark wizards? Drake asked with a shiver. Dark wizards라도 no time for tales now. 지금 무슨 옛날 얘기를 할 때니? Said Griffith with a wave of his hand. Suddenly, Rory cried out, Look, Capri is getting up. The dragon had opened her eyes and was standing on all four legs. She looks well enough to walk back to the dragon caves. Griffith said, Come along. He led the dragon masters and their dragons back through the tunnel. The tunnel led to the big underground dragon room. There, each dragon had a small cave. When they got in, A big man with red hair waited for them. red hair라고 해서 red dark wizard가 아니고 King Roland. He wore a vest with a gold dragon on it and a metal crown on his head. 2 guards stood behind him. Griffith stopped. King Roland, he said. What brings you down here? 무슨 일로 오셨습니까? The king frowned. What is this I hear about a thick dragon? 어떻게 벌써 읽었어? Chapter 3. King Roland's Threat. Draco looked over at his friend Beau. He could tell Beau was thinking the same thing he was. How did the king know one of the dragons was sick? I have spies hidden in the Valley of Clouds, the king said, as if he had read their minds. Valley of Clouds, spy가 있지. You all must let these dragons escape once. 한번 이 드래곤들을 탈출하게 만들려고 했기 때문에. I want to make sure they are ready when I need them. 내가 원할 때 언제든 준비될 수 있게 하려고 했지. 지난번에 읽었는서 탈출하려고 했다라고 말했기 때문에 이제는 이 왕이 이런 식으로 계획을 세워놨네. First the dragons tried to escape. And now one is sick. 자, 처음에는 드래곤들이 도망치려고 했고 이제 한 마리가 아픈군. Said King Roland. This makes me very unhappy, wizard. You are supposed to know all about dragons. Heal her. 괜찮아. I will look for a cure right away. 바로 방법을 찾아보겠습니다. Griffith promised. You had better find one soon. King Roland said, his eyes fixed on the wizard. If not, I will find another wizard. 그렇지 않으면 다른 wizard를 찾을 것이네. King Roland turned and stormed out of the caves. His guards followed. Drake's stomach did a flip. 막 너무 무서워서 드레이크가 막 속이 막 이상하게 꼬이는 듯이 막 그랬어. Another wizard? What would we do without Griffith? 막 다른 마법사 어쩌지? 그렇지만 다른 마법사를 구하는 일은 일어나지 않아. What do we do now? Anna asked Griffith, stroking Capri's head. I have many books about dragons, the wizard replied. We will start there. You mean we can help? Drake asked. Of course, Griffith said. Please take your dragons into their caves. Then meet me in the training room. We must act quickly to save Capri. Chapter 4. The Wizard's Potion. The Dragon Masters dropped off their dragons and headed to the training room. The section where Griffith taught lessons was kind of like a cave. Most days, everyone wanted to be outside in the Valley of the Clouds. 원래 평상시에는 모두 다 밖에 나가는 거 너무 원하지만 Drake loved it there because it reminded him of working in his family's onion fields. 또 드레이크는 정말 너무 좋아해. 왜냐면 그 양파 농장에서 가족들이랑 같이 일했던 게 생각나기 때문에. But today, nobody was complaining about staying inside. Everyone wanted to help Capri. 하지만 아무도 오늘은 하루 종일 이 안에 있는 거에 대해서 불평하지 않았어. 모두 다 Capri를 도와주고 싶었어. When they walked into the classroom, they saw a giant pile of books on the table. 역시 wizard라서 책도 많고. Everyone takes a book, Griffith said, pointing to a stack of books. A dark wizard made that orb. So we must find a cure for a sun dragon who have been touched by dark magic. dark magic이 닿은 사람에 대한 치료법을 찾아내야 된다는 거지. Quickly, now. He was already flipping through All About Sun Dragons. 자, All About Sun Dragon이라는 책을 보면서 넘기고 있었대. Drake took Dragons 101 back to his desk. 101이라는 건 기초라는 뜻이다. 기초. 무슨 어떤 것의 기초라는 걸 쓸 때 이렇게 영어권 국가에서는 어떤 내용 101 이런 식으로 써. 그러면 이것도 101이라고 거의 읽어. 101보다 101 이렇게 보면 어떤 내용? 기초 이런 뜻이지. The room was quiet, except for the sound of turning pages. Drake read and read, but couldn't find anything. No one could. 드레이크가 많이 늘었지. 지난 시간에 드레이크가 글을 읽는 걸 배우지 않았나? 지난 책에서? 많이 늘었어. 그렇지만 그런 책은 드래곤 101. 그러니까 당장에 다크 매직을 닿은 이 캐프릴이 도와주면 책은 아닌 것 같은. 아직 드레이크가 감 그렇게 잘 잡고 있는 것 같진 않아요. 네. Then Rory held the dragon lower. I found something, she cried. Listen, each sun dragon is born with a moon dragon twin. sun dragon은 moon dragon과 쌍둥이로 태어난다. These twins can cure each other of almost anything. 근데 그 쌍둥이는 서로에게 일어난 무엇이든지 낫게 해줄 수 있다. Is this true? Does Capri have a moon dragon twin? 캐프리도 moon dragon twin이 있어요? Griffith frowned. 근데 인상을 탁 찌그려. 그리피스가, 그러니까 로리가 약간 친구들이나 그리피스한테 그렇게 친절하거나 예의 바르게 행동하지 않는 것 때문에, 그리고 좀 너무 당차게 행동하는 것 때문에 약간 로리한테 그렇게 친절하게 대해주지 않는 것 같아. 나중에 점점 알게 돼. 그래서 이제 인상을 찌푸려요. I do not know. And if she does have a twin, that twin is likely very far away from here. 있다 해도 아주 멀리 있어. There's no way we could find the moon dragon in time. 이렇게 지금 아픈데 시간 내에 moon dragon 찾을 수 없다. Anna stood up. Well, my book has a potion in it called Wicked Away. 마법약에 대한 이야기가 있어요. Wicked Away. 사악한 것을 물리치는 마법약. She said. It heals creatures harmed by dark magic. dark magic으로부터 해를 입은 것들을 좀 고쳐줄 수 있대요. She brought the book to Griffith. His eyes lit up. This might do it. It's not just for sun dragons, so I'm not sure if it will work, but it's worth a try, he said. Drake and Bo, go to my workshop. Bring back a jar of moonbeams and a sack of sunflower seeds. moonbeam도 있고 sunflower seeds는 뭐 해바라기 꽃이니까 그렇지만 moonbeam이면 달빛인데 그게 있대요. Hurry! The boys raced into the hall of Griffith's workshop. The workshop was filled with bottles and jars. The bottles and jars were stuffed with strange plants and filled with potions. Drake walked to the left side of the room, and Bo took the right side. Drake picked up a jar with purple liquid inside. Lily do, he read out loud. He checked a few more jars and then saw something glowing on the top shelf. Standing on his toes, he grabbed it. A pale blue light shimmered inside the jar. Drake read the label. Moonbeams! I've got them! 와, 진짜 달빛이 들어있는 자가 있어. He shouted. And I got the seeds, Bo said. Let's go. When they got back to the classroom, Rory was stirring liquid in a black metal pot. Anna was reading directions aloud from her book. Griffith clapped his hands when he saw the two boys. 이렇게 적고 있고 만드는 법 불러주고 있고 각자 갖고 온 거 부어. That was fast. Now let's make this healing potion, said Griffith. Drake, empty the jar into the pot. Bo, add 3 seeds, please. 이거는 완전 비율 정도로 다 붓고 딱 해바라기 씨 3개만. Drake carefully opened the jar lid. The moonbeams slid out like water. Then Bo dropped in 3 black seeds. Keep stirring, Rory. 계속 저어라. 싫을 것 같은데? Rory stirred. The liquid turned blue and started to shine. 파란색으로 변했어. 그래, 빛이 났어. A soft light came from the pot. Griffith scooped up some liquid with a ladle. 국자로 뜨고 put it in a clean jar. There is only one way to find out, Griffith said. 방법은 하나뿐이네. 뭐겠어? 먹여봐야지. They all walked to Capri's cave. Her eyes were closed, and her yellow scales had lost their shine. 캐프리 너무 아픈가 봐. 눈도 감고 있고, 우리 하나씩 닦아줬던 비늘 있죠? 그 비늘이 원래 반짝반짝거리는데 반짝거리지도 않고 다 흐릿흐릿해졌대. Griffith handed the jar to Anna. You're her dragon master. She will listen to you. She must drink this, he said. Anna nodded. She walked up to Capri. I have something for you, she said softly. Capri opened her eyes. She smiled when she saw Anna. We made it for you to make you well again, Anna said, holding up the jar. Capri opened her mouth. Anna slowly poured the potion inside. This has got to work, she whispered. 그래서 이 포션 먹였어요. 어떻게 될까?